Dear student, our lesson today is talking about measure of the straight line, measure of angle between two straight lines. Measure of the angle between two straight lines. If we have any two straight lines, L1 and L2, the angle, we know this angle equal this angle, vertically opposite angle equal in measure. And this angle supplementarily, if we have theta 3, therefore theta 4 supplementarily angle with theta 3. Theta 3 equal theta 3 vertically opposite angle, and theta 4 equal theta 4 vertically opposite angle and supplementarily with theta 3. Tan theta equal modulus m1 minus m2 divided 1 plus m1 m2. Theta is the angle between two straight lines. M1 the slope of the straight line L1, and M2 the slope of the straight line L2. The rule M1 minus M2 over 1 plus M1 M2, where theta belong close the interval 0 and pi over 2, between 0 and 90. Find the measure of acute angle between two straight lines. L1 equals x minus 2y plus 5 equals 0, and L2 equals 2x plus 4y minus 7 equals 0. We want to get the measured angle between two straight lines. Solution: the slope of the straight line L1 equals half, and the slope of the straight line L2 equals negative half. Direct substitution with the rule tan theta equals half plus half, means negative, subtraction and negative give me positive, divided 1 plus m1 times m2, half times negative half. The result equal 4 over 3. Shift sign theta, we get theta approximation equal 53 degree and 8 minutes. The second example, find the measure of acute angle between two straight lines. L1 vector equation, R equals 2, 3 plus K, 4 with 3. This is the point lie on the straight line, 2, 3. K is a constant, and 4 with 3 is a direction vector. The second vector equation, vector R equals 1 with 6, point lie on the straight line, plus K dash 7 with negative 1. 7 with negative 1 is a direction vector on it. We want to get the angle between two vectors. The slope of the first equation equals 3 over 4. And the slope of the second equation equals negative 1 over 7. Direct substitution by the rule, tan theta equals m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2 equals the first slope minus the second slope over 1 plus the first slope times the second slope equals 1. Therefore, the acute angle between the first straight line and the second straight lines equal 45. If you want to get the obtuse angle, therefore 180 minus 45 give me 135. Find the measure of angle of triangle ABC, whose vertices are A 605, B 61, and C 31. I want to get the measurable angle between the vertices of triangle. The slope of AB equals difference لل y over difference لل x, 4 over 0 and defined. Therefore, AB, straight line AB parallel to the y-axis because the slope and defined. The slope of BC, difference لل y over difference لل x between the 2 points, 0 over 3 give me 0. Slope equals 0, therefore BC parallel to the x-axis. Since an AB parallel to the y-axis and BC parallel to the x-axis, therefore perpendicular. We get the slope of AC, difference لل y over difference لل x, give me 4 over 3. AB perpendicular to the BC, therefore measure of angle B equals 90 degree. Measure of angle A and C are acute angles. C equal the slope minus slope, 3 over 4 minus 0 over 1 plus 0 times 4 over 3. The result 4 over 3. Therefore, measure of angle C equal 53 degree و 8 minutes. Because tan C equals 4 over 3. Tan C. Tan C equal 4 over 3. Therefore, C equals shift tan 4 over 3. The result 53 degree and 8 minutes approximation. Measure of angle A equals 180 minus measure of angle C plus measure of angle B. Measure of angle B 90, measure of angle C 53 degree و 8 minutes. Therefore, measure of angle A equals 36 degree و 52 minutes. Find the measure of angle of triangle whose vertices are A 4 with 3, B negative 1 and 1, C negative 6 or 4. Then find its area of the triangle. From the beginning we get the distance between AB. Distance between 2 points, difference لل x power 2 plus difference لل y power 2. Difference لل x means 4 minus minus 1 power 2 plus 3 minus 1 power 2. We get the length of AB equals square root 29 length unit. The same way we get BC, difference لل x power 2 plus difference لل y power 2 give me square root 34. And follow the same way, therefore AC equals square root 101 length unit. Because A equals 4 over 4 with 3 and B negative 1 1 and C negative 6 or 4. we get the length of AB and the length of BC and the length of AC. The length of AB, square root 29, the length of BC, square root 34, and the length of AC, square root 101. Since ان ال AC power 2 greater than AB power 2 plus BC power 2, therefore triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle at B, because AC power 2 greater than the sum power 2 of two straight lines. The slope of AB equal difference لل y over difference لل x give me 2 over 5. The slope of BC equals difference لل y over difference لل x give me negative 3 over 5. The slope of AC equals negative difference لل y over difference لل x give me negative 1 over 10. We have the slope of AB and the slope of BC and the slope of AC. Tan A equals M1 minus M2 over 1 plus M1 في M2 equals 25 over 48. Therefore, shift tan الأنسر measure of angle A approximation 28. And the same way to get tan C. By direct substitution in the rule, we get C equals 25. Therefore, angle B equals 180 minus 28 plus 25. Angle B, obtuse angle, equals 127. We know the area of any triangle equals half 2 sides multiply 2 sides by sine الangle included between 2 sides. Again, area of any triangle half product of any 2 sides multiply the included angle between the 2 sides. يبقى therefore half time square root 29 time square root 101 time sine الangle included 28. Therefore, the surface area of triangle approximation 12.7 square units. Let's go to this example. In the opposite figure, if we have cosine theta equal 2 over root 5, then the coordinates of the point B equals 1 or A or B or C or D. The point A the coordinate 0, 6 and C 3 و 0 and B x و 0. How about x? Cosine theta equal 2 over root 3. Let's go to draw the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. That's the measure of angle theta. Sine theta equal opposite over hypotenuse equals 1 over square root 5. And cosine theta equal 2 over square root 5. Tan theta equals 1 over 2 because it's right angled triangle. The slope of AB equal M. The slope of AC equal difference لل y over difference لل x 6 minus 0 over 0 minus 3 equals negative 2. tan theta equals negative half. Direct substitution in this rule, negative 2 minus m over 1 minus 2m equals negative or positive half. Therefore, cross multiplication, we get negative 4 equals 1. It's impossible. We have to solve this equation by using positive half. Negative 4 minus 2m equals negative 1 plus 8 plus 2m. Solve this equation. We get m equals negative 3 over 4. Since n b equals x و 0, therefore direct substitution 0 minus 6 over x minus 0 equals m. Cross multiplication, we get x equals 8. Therefore, this point equals 8 and 0. The right answer is 8 and 0. يبقى دلوقتي في المسألة كان مديني كوزين ثيتا equal 2. في المسألة التاني again in the opposite figure الكوزين للانجل ثيتا دي كان equal 2 over square root 5. Then the coordinates of B, الpoint B, الcoordinates A or B or C or D. From the beginning we get solve right angled triangle. Since the cosine equal 2 over square root 5, therefore tan equal 1 over 2. Pythagoras. Solve by using Pythagoras. We get the slope of AB and the slope of AC. The slope of AB and the slope of AC. يبقى tan ثيتا equal نعوض في القانون direct substitution عن ال straight line AB و AC. والtan negative or positive half. Cross multiplication, when we use negative half, the result is it's impossible. We have to direct substitution, but we used positive half. When we used positive half in the rule, cross multiplication, we get x equals 8. Therefore, the point B equals the coordinate 8 with 0. Thank you, my student, and good luck.